Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a solution or some solutions for a technical problem that I have found. Please check the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Please consider to like and comment down below. See you later in another video. Guys, for watching the video. If it was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate your support very much. See you later. Bye.